How to use name in Microsoft Excel? It's too much easy. So in this video I'm going to teach you about the define name and name manager and using formula in this video. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are watching this video first time, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. So without any late, let's begin our tutorial. So guys, now you can see here inside the formula tab there is a define name sections available, right? So today we'll learn to use the name. Okay, so first of all I'm going to select these cells, and I'm going to in the home, and I'm just giving a border to these selected cells. So in this site also I'm going to select and I'm just giving the border. Okay, so in the selected cells I'm just going to again in the formulas and clicking in the define name, and now you can see here it's asking me the name, right? So after this I'm just giving the name is first. Okay, after this just I'm clicking in the OK. Again I'm going to select another okay, and just clicking in the define name and giving the name second. So after creating the two name in Microsoft Excel, I'm going to in the name manager. So from the name manager, now you can see here there is a two name available. Okay, the first and the second name available inside my name manager. From the name manager I can edit this one, I can create new name also, and I can delete those names from the name manager. So after this I am putting some values inside my name. So here I'm just giving few data inside my first name, and in my second name also I'm giving different values in my different cells. So after putting all the data inside my two name, I'm just using a formula that is sum is equal to sum and bracket open, and after this I'm clicking in the use in formula. So after this I'm just clicking in the first. When I'm clicking in the first, now you can see here it's selecting all the first name data, right? So after this I'm just using the comma, and after this again I'm just clicking using formula and clicking in the second. So now you can see here after selecting the second name also it's selecting all the data of the second. Okay, so after this I'm just closing my bracket and pressing the enter. So now you can see here it's giving me the result. Okay, so it's calculating all the first name data and the second name data. So using the name it is too much easy to uh, mm, calculate data. Okay, and another most useful thing is you can create a formula also from using this one. So it's too much easy. So for example, if you want to create a separate formula, such as I'm just giving this one is photo VLOOKUP. Okay, so after this you can combine those your formulas here. Okay, so I'm just giving this one, and after this I'm just going to comma maths. Okay, so like this, and comma 2 comma 0, and I'm just clicking the OK. So using the new name you can create a separate formula, and the another useful thing is you can calculate the different sales values in the in same cells using the name. Okay, so hoping that you understand about the name, and if you have still any kind of confusion, let me know in the comment sections. I'll come back with another new video. Until that, goodbye, see you again.